Hello, what's up mga tol? Kumusta? Welcome naman dito sa panibagong episode ng ating channel mga tol, kung saan tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano makakuha ng BAB token dito kay Binance. Ito yung Binance account bound token. So try natin to mga tol. Sabay tayong subukan tong feature na to ni Binance. So kung gusto mong ma-enjoy ang mga benefits na katulad nito mga tol, click nyo na lang yung link sa description box below. So ayan mga tol, bago tayo magsimula, kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel ay mag-subscribe na at pinutin ang notification bell button para notify ka sa susunod nating videos. So ayan, turo ko nyo muna sa inyo mga tol bago natin gagawin yung steps dito. So turo ko muna sa inyo kung saan makikita itong Binance BAB or account bound token. So balik lang tayo. Ayan, dito kay Binance. So dapat naka-home tayo. Ayan. Then hanapin mo lang itong more. Pindutin mo lang yung more, then scroll up ka. Ayan, para makita mo yung, then dito sa gift and campaign, dito mo makikita yung mga tol na nandito yung Binance account bound token. So ayan, so susubukan natin buksan yan. Then pagbukas natin, ito yung makikita natin. So may check mark siya kung ano yung progress na natapos mo na. So halimbawa dito, I have done my identity verification. So ang sunod na step naman ay connect wallet. So yan ang gagawin natin. Then third, sign message, di pa natin alam yan. Then get back token. So connect wallet, yung step natin muna. Pindutin lang natin yung button na yan. Then dahil may dalawang wallets tayong available, Binance wallet at saka MetaMask, so syempre pipiliin natin itong Binance wallet. So pindutin lang natin yung Binance wallet, then set up your DeFi wallet. To experience this app, you need to set up your DeFi wallet first. So ito yung nag-pop up. So DeFi wallet can connect you to the decentralized world where you can experience the best decentralized apps, no? So siyempre pipindutin lang natin ito set up wallet. Ayan, so welcome to web 3. No more seed phrases. So Binance DeFi wallet removes the need, so ayan, never lose your wallet access. So pipindutin ulit natin to create wallet. Ayun, so meron na tayong wallet connected. Then sign message. So sabay nating i-discover to kung ano meron dito. Sign message, pindutin lang natin itong sign message. So sign this message by confirming your identity that you are the sole holder of this chain account, minting your BAB token to any chain account, but you are not the sole holder. You can switch to BAB token terms. So ayan, so sign, so may dalawang choices lang din dito mga tol. So it's either you will reject or sign. So dahil yan yung request, pindutin lang natin itong sign. Ayan, naantayin lang natin yun. So simple lang yung sign step mga tol. Pipindutin mo lang yung sign button, then that. Then the last is get the BAB token or Binance account bound token. So minted via the Binance Smart Chain Network. So syempre pipindutin lang din natin itong button na get BAB token. So yun, Binance 1 USD. Okay, so 1 BUSD or 55 pesos. So problema, wala pa tayo pang deposit, so titignan natin. So nandito sinasabi deposit 1 BUSD or 55.80 pesos. So titignan natin, wala kasi, pero may laman naman yung account natin. Yun nga lang ay naka freeze siya kasi pinag-use natin sa hinold natin siya. So tignan natin kung okay ba. Deposit now, choose a network. Ito and smart chain. So talagang required dito na mag-deposit. So for now mga tol, hindi na natin siya mag-claim kasi nga unfortunately wala tayong available na BUSD para makapag-deposit dito ng at least 1 BUSD. So pending lang muna itong transaction natin na to. So di muna natin, di pa natin siya makukuha, no? So babasahin na lang natin yung mga frequently asked questions. So what is Binance account bound token? So Binance account bound tokens are the credentials of Binance users that have passed KYC or yung identity verification. So it is a type of soul-bound token. It has 3 key properties. It is non-transferable. It cannot be transferred from one address to another, and it is revocable. So it can be revoked by users. So one user ID can only have one BAB token at one time and on one chain. So where can I view my BAB token? So the BAB token will be issued to the address you provided, and you can check your BAB token on the third-party wallet that supports NFTs. Before you view your BAB token, you need to make sure your wallet network has selected the BNB Smart Chain. So what if I lost my access to the BAB token? If you somehow lost access to your wallet, you can revoke the token with your Binance account. Once revoked, you can mint again after 72 hours. So yeah. So is there any way to transfer my BAB token to another address? If you want to transfer your BAB token to another address, you can revoke it and then mint it to your new address. Please be aware that after you revoke your BAB token, you will have to wait 72 hours before you mint again. So ayan mga tol, mag-mint na sana tayo. So kaso na-require tayo ni Binance na mag-deposit ng at least 1 USD. So unfortunately wala tayo ngayon. So I will be updating you soon mga tol kapag naka-deposit tayo at kung nakuha na natin yung Binance account bound token natin. So dito naman muna tayo. This has been Simple Life with Ron saying goodbye everyone. Bye bye.